Hey gang, Poppy here. It's 5 days since my first inoculation with the COVID-19 vaccine manufactured by Moderna. I didn't record or post yesterday. I got up, had a light breakfast, watched a bunch of YouTube, took a nap, got up, had a nosh, watched a bunch of YouTube, ate dinner, watched a bunch more YouTube, and went to bed. Uh, the high note, the high point of yesterday was at about 10 a.m. Opened up the front door and blasted Jesus Christ Superstar out at the neighborhood. Hey, Sunday morning revival service with music. Anyway, uh, get vaccinated, wear a mask, and keep strangers distant. I've been told I may be fomenting violence when I say if someone you don't know, not wearing a mask, coughing, sneezing, gets too close, beat them to the ground with your walking stick. But then again, that person may be either too stupid to understand that they're killing you or deliberately trying to murder you. Either way, you're defending your physical existence. Make it stick. Good night from California. Stay safe.